SPECTRAL KLAR 585 is a high-quality, high-performance VHS clear coat. Mix the clear coat at a 2:1 ratio with the H6115 hardener. The pot life of the mixture is 45 minutes. Apply with a spray gun using a 1.2 to 1.4 mm nozzle. This coat is great for spot repairs and refinishing of large surfaces. The excellent flowability allows the reproduction of the OEM coating texture. Apply KLAR 585 in 2 layers. The flash-off time between layers is 5 to 10 minutes. The coat has a short curing time. It is polishable within 30 minutes by holding the processed part at 60 degrees Celsius. SPECTRAL KLAR 585 ensures easy and convenient application. The product provides a high gloss level and transparency with a high yield. Once cured, the coating features high hardness and UV resistance. SPECTRAL, workshop efficiency improving technology with outstanding results guaranteed.